Learning English can significantly improve your life for many good reasons. English is e- English is the universal language. Is is you is you in what is you in over 100 countries and on more than 100 websites. 1 billion websites is just in over 100 countries and and more than 1 billion websites. English can help you make friends worldwide. One one out of five people in the world can understand English. Can understand English, but most importantly, English enable you to get a better job. However, however, there are a lot of people saying there there are a lot of people saying I tried learning English several times, but it didn't work out. But it but it didn't work out. But it didn't work out. But it didn't work out.